the truth hurts, good, that means it's working. Welcome back, where the results don't lie, and neither do we. So let's
have to say all men until all men stop raping women.
If we were to utilize that same logic towards women, would it be okay then to say that all women make false accusations against men because only a handful of them do?
Lady J didn't snap out of nowhere. She snapped after watching accountability get dodged for years while expectations kept rising, because eventually someone has to say that confidence without self-awareness isn't empowerment, it's just noise.
Men are trash. That's common in society, right? Women are trash isn't. Men are held accountable all the time, every day.
So women are held at a higher standard.
No, we're at a low. We offer less to men than ever. The average age of first men value purity and youth.
Yeah.
Purity, youth, beauty. Women are fatter than ever before. We're older than ever before, and we're less youthful than ever getting married, and we have more bodies than ever. So we bring less to the table than ever. How many women have a cookbook? How many women are neat and organized?
But how many men can build stuff? How many men can fix up the home?
Lady J didn't snap out of nowhere. She snapped after watching accountability get dodged for years while expectations kept rising, because eventually someone has to say that confidence without
one or two guys that actually are different, they're actually clear. They actually have availability. They're actually who they say they are. They're on the purpose of this to this. These are the very guys you end up wrecking, because in order to be with them, they require standards. They require boundaries. They don't want your friends coming over all the time. They don't want to hear about your friends' problems all the time. They don't want to hear about your mama and anybody. No. I don't want to hear about any of that drama. We need to be talking about what's going forward, what's next with us. This meant that you want to take this dude to be an emotional tampon, and when he says something about it, what do? When you say something about it, what do? Then they get mad at the guy for saying these people are using you. Your friend is using you, your mama's using you, your dog is using you, your ex is using you. And then they get mad at the dude.
Lady J didn't snap out of nowhere. She snapped after watching accountability get dodged for years while expectations kept rising, because eventually someone has to say that confidence without...
Something I've noticed is that female empowerment is fake, and a lot of women don't like other women. And what's funny is that women come to my page and they say that I don't like women, but in reality, I give women good advice because I don't want to see them fail. The problem is that women don't have any accountability. Most of you guys can't take accountability. Instead of praising bad behavior, maybe you should call it out. The problem is that a lot of you guys are delusional. You're looking down on women who are housewives. You guys put down women who are housewives all the time, but then you go and praise women on OF. You guys constantly tell women who are housewives that they're not going to be able to land a job after their husband leaves them, insinuating that the marriage isn't going to work out. And you tell them, oh, well, you're going to miss out on all this work experience and your resume isn't going to look good, that they won't be able to land a job if the marriage doesn't work out. And you just have nothing positive to say about women who are housewives. It's all negative. This is coming from other women. But what I find really interesting is you guys don't say this to women who do OF or anything of that sort. You guys don't say, well, how are you going to be able to find a job after? You guys don't say any of that. You don't give any good advice when it comes to someone doing something that's actually negative. Instead, you tell women that are doing OF that it's empowerment, it's empowering, it's great, it's this, it's that. How backwards is society? How backwards have women become? Instead of praising whores, we should be encouraging the women who are literally raising our next generation. They're doing the most important job and raising the next generation. We should be praising them. And they're doing that in a nuclear family structure, which is so rare nowadays.
Lady J didn't snap out of nowhere. She snapped after watching accountability get dodged for years while expectations kept rising, because eventually someone has to say that confidence...
Women are the biggest gaslighters. And a way that they are gaslighting men, a huge one, is by saying, oh, a real man wouldn't do this, a real man would allow me to do this, a real man wouldn't care about this. The whole like real man thing, it's used as a way to try to control men and try to shame them into not having any boundaries and standards. It's basically just so they can get away with whatever they want and have any bad behaviors that they want to have. without any consequences. And then they just use the whole like, oh, well, a real man wouldn't care. A real man wouldn't care about my past. A real man wouldn't care about body count. Men can have preferences, standards, and boundaries just like women do. And I'm tired of seeing women try to gaslight men. I saw this quote the other day and it was directed towards men, and it was like, just know that if she's calling you a real man, you're likely a simp. And it's so true, because the way that women define real men these days, they're just explaining simps. Simps that will put up with anything that they do, simps that put up with their bad behaviors, toxic patterns, and let them cross all the boundaries in the world. Women don't know what a real man is these days. It seems like they just want someone to run all over.
Lady J didn't snap out of nowhere. She snapped after watching accountability get dodged for years while expectations kept rising, because eventually—
Ever wonder why men these days seem so weak and sensitive and feminine? Well, studies show that men's testosterone levels have been decreasing for decades. Since the 80s, testosterone levels have been decreasing by about 1% every single year. Maybe it's the natural progression of evolution, or maybe it's all the endocrine disrupting chemicals in our consumer products like nonstick pans, bath products, beauty products, perfume, cologne, household cleaning products, in our foods. Maybe it's atrazine, maybe it's glyphosate, maybe it's all the pesticides and herbicides, maybe it's all the phytoestrogen and all the soy that men are consuming constantly these days. Maybe it's social conditioning. You know, it's a lot easier for the world leaders to control populations when they're weak and docile. And they very well know the consequences and the harmful effects that all of these things in our environment have. Let's wake up out of this fog and take our frickin' power back.
Lady J didn't snap out of nowhere. She snapped after watching accountability get dodged for years while expectations kept rising, because eventually someone has to say that—
Isn't it so crazy that feminism does the exact opposite of empowering women? It is not giving you freedom, it is actually silencing you. It has convinced women that sexualization is freedom, that selling their bodies online is freedom, that having multiple partners is freedom. But what this actually does is exploit you and enslave you. It's funny how feminism actually just gave the worst type of men exactly what they wanted. I mean, having as much emotionless sex as possible, OnlyFans, running around half naked, killing their babies, men and women's sports. How does that equal female empowerment? Not to mention you're warding off all of the good men. I mean, you guys say over and over how much you hate men when you are literally doing the things that please the worst type of men. If you were focused more on traditional femininity, on having one partner, on getting married, on having kids, on building a family unit, I promise you would attract really good men into your life, and therefore you wouldn't hate all men. And every time I say things like this, I get told that I'm tearing down other women. No, the reason that I post what I post is because I actually care about other women and their well-being. You can take it or leave it. But if I were to just let you exploit yourself and enslave yourself to what I would consider a cult, I mean, take Bonnie Blue, for example, that would be me not caring about you.
Lady J didn't snap out of nowhere. She snapped after watching accountability get dodged for years while expectations kept rising, because
I think men forget that while one man's trash is another man's treasure, one woman's trash is every woman's trash. So shape up.
Lady J didn't snap out of nowhere. She snapped after watching accountability get dodged for years while expectations kept rising, because eventually someone has to say that confidence without—
And what do we do when men are being trash? We date women instead. Thank you.
Lady J didn't snap out of nowhere. She snapped after watching accountability get dodged for years while expectations kept rising, because if the truth hurts, good, that means it's working. Welcome back, where the results don't lie, and neither do we. So let's start. You're watching